So how do you feel about potatoes? It's so wild because I used to hate potatoes, and because diet culture told me to hate potatoes, because fill in the blank, like tell me all the things you've heard about potatoes. I had a conversation with someone a few days ago, and they were talking about how they avoid potatoes because potatoes are fattening, and I'm like, wow, yeah, those are beautiful. It's like, wow, it's kind of sad, but it's so interesting how Mother Nature gives us so much food, like an abundance of food that are healing. And because of the way that we are used to serving the food, or what we've been told about the food, then we kind of stop eating the food because, like I said, of what we've been told about them. And I used to be the same way. I used to be that way, where I was scared of potatoes, because this video is about potatoes, and other things because of what I was told, right? And after doing research, and also after learning and understanding, which is something that I'll encourage you to do, that your own research, like do your own research, find out some information for yourself, and don't be quote unquote brainwashed or influenced by what diet culture or social media or somebody else tells you, until you do your own research, because doing that may be stopping you from enjoying the incredible benefits that our food, especially potatoes, as you can tell, I'm passionate about potatoes, right? That the incredible benefits that our potatoes provide for us. I mean, I follow Medical Medium, and I've been following his protocols for over a year now, and I eat potatoes every day. And I've realized, like since I started following him, that it's not the potatoes, it's the way, because there was a point where I couldn't eat potatoes, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're so gross, and I just didn't really like eating them. And I found that most of the time when I eat them, my stomach hurt, and it's because of the way that I was serving them. I always I would serve them as fries, or sometimes bake with lots of oil. And now I steam them in my Instapot, and I eat them every day. I mean, we eat potatoes, and my son eats them too. He loves potatoes, and we eat them every day, all the time. And I am still the same size, and I know that everybody's metabolism and physiology is different. We're not the same, but I'm just telling you that it's worth like really digging deep and finding some info for yourself, so that you're not avoiding things that could potentially be healing and helping you. As I said before, I always avoided them because every time I ate them, I would feel bloated, and I felt really yucky. And now that I eat them steamed, and I just serve them with juice, like I squeeze a lemon and then crush fresh garlic, and that's it. And I put oregano, and then like I have different ways of serving them, but they're always steamed, and I have no issues. So yeah, go ahead, do your own research and see. And I know that there's some people that are scared of potatoes as well, because they are part of the nightshade family, and they cause issues for other people. So if that's the case, then don't do it. But I'm just saying, if you are watching this video and you avoid potatoes because you think they're gonna make you fat, I can't even say that, then do some research, educate yourself more, and enjoy the incredible benefits, because they are, like I said, one of my favorite things. And out of topic, my son said I should tell you that he likes construction vehicles. But anyway, yeah, I hope this opens your mind up, and you're able to just be like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna check this out and see what this girl is talking about. And if you're new here, or if you are somebody that has seen my videos, and if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also like. So hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you found value in this. And feel free, don't keep this information to yourself. Share this with someone that you care about, so we can, so we can spread the message about the misconception of potatoes, because they're not as bad as they've been telling you they are for you. And have a good day. And